What's the meaning of all ticket? All ticket. All ticket. All ticket. All ticket. All ticket.
All ticket means that admission to an event or venue requires a ticket, and no other form of payment or entry will be accepted. This term is commonly used in the context of sporting events and concerts. By implementing an all-ticket policy, organizers are better able to control attendance numbers, ensure safety and security, and prevent illegal activities. Additionally, it allows for more accurate tracking of attendees and potentially increases revenue through ticket sales.